Ever wondered how the sun, our very own celestial powerhouse, came into existence and what will be its inevitable fate? Today, we venture on an enlightening journey through time, from the birth of the sun to its ultimate end. Born approximately 4.6 billion years ago, the sun, like other stars, is primarily made up of hydrogen and helium. With a staggering diameter roughly 109 times that of Earth and a mass about 330,000 times that of our planet, the sun is undoubtedly the colossus of our solar system. Imagine standing on a surface with a temperature of about 5,500 degrees Celsius, almost twice as hot as the hottest lava on Earth. That's the sun's surface for you. This intense heat is a result of the sun's core, where it generates energy through a process known as nuclear fusion, converting hydrogen into helium. Now, have you ever noticed dark patches on the sun's surface? These are sunspots, cooler regions caused by magnetic activity. They follow an intriguing cycle, appearing and disappearing approximately every 11 years. But the sun isn't all cool spots. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections, powerful eruptions on the sun's surface, can disrupt Earth's magnetic field and cause geomagnetic storms. Yet, one of the sun's most puzzling features is its outer atmosphere, or corona. Despite being farther from the heat-generating core, the corona is much hotter than the sun's surface, with temperatures reaching into the millions of degrees Celsius. And as for the sunlight that bathes our planet, it takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to make the 93 million-mile journey from the sun to Earth. But what about the future? In about 5 billion years, the sun will exhaust its nuclear fuel. This will trigger its evolution into a red giant, swelling to such an extent that it will consume the inner planets, including, sadly, our own Earth. So, to recap our journey, we've discovered the sun's composition and size, its surface temperature, and the nuclear fusion that powers it. We've delved into the mystery of sunspots, the power of solar flares and coronal mass ejections, and the paradox of the super-hot corona. We've timed the sunlight's journey to Earth, and finally we've glimpsed the sun's ultimate fate as a red giant. Our sun, a celestial marvel, has a past filled with fiery fusion and a future destined for grand expansion. So the next time you feel its warmth on your skin, remember, you're feeling the effects of a 4.6 billion-year-old cosmic journey, and a star that still has billions of years of life left to give.